Are you looking for some hands-on family fun ahead of the holidays? Alexa Clavijo, Senior Play and Learning Manager at Thinkery, is here to tell us about what they have on offer for this season. Alexa, good morning.
Hey.
All right, let's talk about your gingerbread workshops, because this is the sort of stuff families love.
Yes, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to talk about gingerbread. This year we are partnered with the wonderful HEB.
They are amazing.
And so our kits this year, rather than a traditional home, we are bringing a Texan vibe to it. So we do have a little gingerbread ranch, of course, with our Texas-shaped cookie. And it wouldn't be complete without our gingerbread rancher. He's just so precious.
He is really precious, got a little cowboy hat on. But of course, you don't have to follow the kit exactly, and that's sort of half the fun, right?
Yeah, exactly. We like to really encourage like open-ended building. If you come to our workshops, one of the great things we have are challenge cards, so different ways to really spark that problem-solving mentality in our families. And we have a lot of things like a candy bar also, so you don't just get the fun candy that's in these wonderful kits, you also get an array of candy. And who doesn't love sugar on the holidays?
That's me. I absolutely love it. And so this is a good example of like a little put together gingerbread house. I noticed shingles made from cereal and all sorts of really fun things. It doesn't have to come out looking beautiful though, does it?
No, it does not at all, especially if you're choosing to eat it. So, you know, just decorating's half the fun and adding different takes on there. And all ranches look different too.
You know what? She's absolutely right. What about, you know, for the kids? Is it just for them to be hands-on, or is it moms and dads to help too?
I have found in the past workshops that we have been doing already throughout this month that kids get really excited, but one of my favorite things is to really see the adults getting so focused when their kid comes around. They're like, I'm going to put this on. Is that the choice we're making? You can see they're so invested in their home. So it's really fun to see. Playing and having fun like this at Thinkery is not only just for the littles, but also the caregivers as well.
Oh, I like that a lot. Okay, and then not only that, we're still in the gingerbread theme, but you can decorate some gingerbread cookies.
Yes, yes. So if you are interested in taking the fun home, we are working with Quacks to have these little people kits here.
They're so cute. Look at this little guy. And they're people kits because they're not all the same height, right? It can be kind of like a mom, a dad, a guardian, and a little one.
Exactly.
That sort of thing. And then is this something you get to take home?
Absolutely. So this is something you get to take home with you that you can purchase at Thinkery. Maybe you have come to our workshop and you want to take some of the joy back to your own home as well. But I will say the great thing about our workshops is a thing we like to provide is this is one mess that caregivers do not have to take care of. That's the service that we're providing at Thinkery.
That is a really good service. And it comes with some candies and things like that to make the gingerbread really sweet. Okay, I love it. All right, you guys are also celebrating New Year's for the whole family, so tell us about that.
Okay, New Year's is great because it also gets you into bed at an early time if you're needing to get rest. But it's
the early ball drop, so to speak.
Yes, yes. It's really fun. There are different balloon drops, so we have balloon drops for a variety of ages. Also, I love this. If you're not a fan of big sound, I am. But kids get to stomp on bubble wrap as well too. So they're not only like, whoa, like catching all these balloons, they're stomping on bubble wrap. And we do also offer a more sensory friendly version for folks who need it and for littles. And we do a scarf drop as well too.
What's a scarf drop?
So we have this wonderful wind tunnel and we have these silk scarves that we throw through there. And so they kind of fly out and delicately land. And so it's much quieter. There's no bubble wrap in this section.
Okay.
So, you know, a little bit for everybody. And folks who are looking to get hands-on, we have a lot of maker activities as well, where you get to make your own 2026 headband and goggles as well. So if you're going to anything afterwards, you can even make the decor and take it with you so you're prepared. And we also have a baby disco.
Oh, baby disco. You guys really think of everything at Thinkery.
Oh, yeah.
But so if someone's thinking, okay, I want to make sure that my kids have a great time for New Year's, but that we wrap things up early, you guys have a couple different time periods, right, that they can go to?
Yeah, we do. We have 2 sessions that day. The first one starts at 9, and then we have like about a 2-hour gap. So the next one will start at 1.
Okay. And then wraps up around
like 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Okay. Wear the kids out. That's
Yes. Have them play here, get tired, get all their wiggles out, all that big body play, and then you can take them home.
Absolutely. I love that. Okay, and then for anybody who hasn't been to Thinkery before, I was just telling you off camera, every once in a while we'll have somebody come through here who's visiting Austin and they've brought their family, and I'm yelling at them on the way out, go to Thinkery. It's a great children's museum. So tell me a little bit more about what it is y'all offer.
Absolutely, and I appreciate the plug. We are a place where playfulness meets hands-on STEAM learning, and we really encourage curiosity. We want caregivers to let their learners just kind of navigate and follow their little learners, because we are learner-led, and have them investigate things together, problem solve together as well.
And there are multiple floors to do this on. There's all sorts of STEAM-based learning in there. Yeah, that was a yes. And in your role, you get to do a lot of these activities and find new things for the families for the new year. Is that something you're looking forward to?
Oh yes, my job, a lot of it is play, and I'm so excited to get to do that. And as someone who came from that kind of space as a kid with my caregivers as well, it's really fun to see that happen for other folks.
I'm so excited to see what 2026 has to offer, but a lot of fun to have before the end of the year, y'all, okay? Alexa, thank you so much for your time.
Oh, thank you so much, Rosie.
Of course, Wonder, Play, and Joy are all available at Thinkery. Plan your trip right now at thinkeryaustin.org.